Hello children, this is Florence YouTube channel. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher. I have not taken class since I think 2 to 3 weeks as because some alteration and modification works are going on. So I was very busy in that all these works. So from now onwards, I will upload almost the way we are loading the videos in YouTube previously, exactly in that way. So please cooperate with us and join this channel and try to learn this in very well. So today a new chapter I am going to start, that is linear inequation. This chapter especially in ICSE board class 10. So this chapter I want to teach you in such a simple way so that easily we can understand. Very easy manner you have to understand. First of all, what I will explain, the concept I will explain you. Concept of linear inequation. What is that? What to know. Before learning this chapter, what to know about numbers. About numbers means the different types of numbers already you know what is required while doing the linear inequation. For that I want to going to explain in a very easy manner. First, natural number. Natural numbers. Already you know what is natural number. That numbers start from 1 onwards. So 1, 2, 3, all these numbers are natural number. Clear children? So you understand all of you? All these are required while doing sums that I want to explain at first to you. Now next is whole number. Whole numbers. What is whole number? We start from 0. Only difference is that natural number start from 1 onwards, whole number start from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3 onwards. Then we should know about the integer. What is integer? 0, 1, 2, and this side -1, -2, -3, All these are integers. These are positive integers and these are negative integers. So we have understood about the natural number, we have understood about the whole number, we have understood about the integer. Then we should come for real number. Real number means all the numbers are there. If straight line I will draw, let this is 0. This is 0. That side at the end, what is? Infinity. That is positive infinity. And this side, what is? Negative infinity. Understand? The 0 here, 1, 2, like that it will go. And this side, what is? -1, -2. So, just now explain you 1 onwards. What is natural number? From 0 onwards, what is whole number? 0, 1, 2, and this side -1, -2. These are integers. And what is the real number? All the numbers are there. Between 1 and 2, there are lakhs of numbers, millions of numbers are there. Like 1 is there, 1.1 I can say, 1.12 I can say, 1.123 also I can say. There are a lot of numbers are there. This I cannot say specially in a solution set like this 1, 2, 3, 1, 3.1. We cannot say. All the numbers are there. So if between given 1 to 2, so 1 here, 2 here, between them also there are many numbers are there. So all these we will understand in a very nice way while doing sums. These 4 I have explained about the numbers. Then I have to explain about the sign while solving. While solving the sums, we will solve as usual. We are solving the linear equation. Linear equation already done in class 8 also done, I think. The same way, the simple way you have to solve it. But one thing you remember, that is about the sign. You have to understand very well this one. First part I explained you. Now second part, very easy. -2 and 3 is given. Let it is -2 and -3. Now what is bigger one? Out of these two, naturally this is bigger. Yes, the -2 is greater than -3. When sign change both sides, what I said, when both sides sign will change. That means here is -2 becomes plus and -3 becomes plus. Then 2 is no more greater. Now 3 is greater. So what we have understood from this particular thing, that whenever both sides sign will change, then this sign also changes. Greater than become less than becomes greater than. Now see here, if it is given 3, -3 and 2. This is very important. -3 and 2 is given. Now which is bigger one? 2 is bigger one. Yes. Now, if I say both sides, I will say change the sign. That means minus becomes plus and this plus becomes minus. So it becomes 3, it becomes minus 2. Now which is greater? Say 3 is greater. So it will come this side. Understand? That means whenever both sides sign will change, this greater than less than sign also change. This one you have to remember very well while doing sums. Lot of things you have to know, but the simple thing what you know, that only I am going to explain at first. I think you are clear all this. While doing sums, I will explain in more details. Now get a little idea about this. Now about the number line. Number line means whatever number lines will come, that we have to plot over here. Let what set I am saying you. This is number 2 part. About the sign you have to remember. Now third part what is? About third part I am saying you. What is number line? Let one number line is given here. It is 0 is given. Here 0. Let solution set is given 1, 2. What is solution set? 1, 2. Now you can say, sir, from where 1, 2 got? Just I am giving the example. You have to understand about the number line. 1, 2 given. How to plot 1, 2? 1 is here, 2 is here. It is 1, it is 2. So 1 give dark line, 2 give dark line. Okay, if 1 2 given, 1 2 write down, I have to give dark line. If it is natural number, or it is whole number, or it is integer. But how to do? When it is real number, that I explain you, wait for that. So I think little bit idea clear about this. One nicely I am going to explain about the real number. Now see, after of this student, I think you have copied everybody. Now see, let one solution set I have given here. What is x such that? What is this? X such that x belongs to real number. X such that, this is called such that x belongs to real number. And what is given here? Minus 2x less than equal to 3. This one try to understand very nicely. X such that x belongs to R. So what is x? X is real number. What is real number given? Minus 2 to 3. Another thing is given. Here equal to sign is not given. Here equal to sign is given. What is the difference? Little bigger number I am taking. Take here 5. Easy to understand. So I will draw a line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear children? This is minus 2 and this is 5. Minus 2. So after that here minus 1, minus 2. I have drawn more you can write. Minus 3 also you can write. But minus 2 and 5 I need. So minus 2 is this point. And 5 are this point. Clear? Here I cannot write minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I cannot say because it is a real number. So what I will do? Minus 2 I have to write here. 5 I will write here. I have done a circle over here. One very important thing to remember. Here equal to sign is given. That means till 5 including 5. But equal to sign is not given. So till minus 2. But minus 2 is not included. Very important to remember. So when equal to sign is not given, you have to keep blank. That means circle is there but not dark circle. It is equal to sign is given, so it should be dark circle. Understand children? What is the meaning of dark circle and not dark circle? Dark circle means 5 is included. If it is not a dark circle, so that means 2 is not, minus 2 is not included. Then what I will do? With the help of scale, I will make this line little darker. So this is my answer, minus 2 to 5. But let, here also equal to sign is given. Here also equal to sign is given. Here also equal to sign is given. That time what to do? Both should be dark. Clear? So in details we have to understand about the number line while doing sums. The basic concept I have given. First what I have given you about the numbers. Different types of numbers generally used while doing the inequation. What is that? Natural number, whole number, then integer, and then I said about the real number. Clear? Then about the sign, the most important that whenever both signs should be changed, the greater than becomes less than and less than becomes greater than. More nicely, I'll explain you once more while doing the sum. What is the third part? Third part, I've understood the number lines. If these three things you will know well, then 95% all the sums we can do easily of this chapter. It is very important chapter. Always comes one sums from here in the board exam, and one short sums like opposite type also comes in the board. Understood, children? Though, so that you learn this concept, then in the next class I am going to explain the sums from this chapter. Okay, goodbye children.